maybe I should cut my edges. Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been there before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. So if you've been living under a rock, you may not know that Lori Harvey, which is the daughter of Steve and Marjorie Harvey, is all over the internet. Have you seen the girl? She's drop dead gorgeous. She is the most stunning human on the planet. We have no choice but to stand. One of the things I immediately noticed is her hair, okay? Lori Harvey keeps a slick ponytail and her baby hairs are always super duper styled. So I'm gonna attempt to do a slick ponytail on my straightened natural hair, and we're gonna try to get these baby hairs together Lori Harvey style. Not sure if it's possible, once again, because I don't have Lori Harvey baby hairs, or Lori Harvey hair texture, or Lori Harvey money, or Lori Harvey looks. Well, I don't have anything that Lori Harvey has, but you know, once a girl gets inspired, she gotta try, okay? So my how to straighten your natural hair video will be linked above. I've been rocking this for like 2 weeks now, so she's definitely getting a little old. She's getting a little raggedy, and it's time to put her in a ponytail. Let me show you the tools we're working with. Since we're doing a slick ponytail, we need something that's gonna hold this hair down. Of course, we're gonna use my Thank Me Later Edge Gel by O Virgin Hair. I also grabbed this Edge Booster. I have done a review of this Style Factor Edge Booster with some more surprising results, so I will also link that video for you in the description box, but I just grabbed it just because. Some got to be, listen y'all, I'm grabbing all the sprays, all the holding products, because I want this to be super slick. One thing about Lori Harvey's ponytails is that she does not wear a part. So you see my hair is in the middle part currently. We're going to get rid of that middle part and just swoop it all the way back. And in case you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jaila. I have type 4 natural hair. I'm categorized as 4A, 4B. Coarse natural hair, have high porosity hair, and I have been natural for 10 years. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. And of course, we need to get rid of this middle part. So now I'm just gonna start brushing my hair towards the back, because that's where it all gotta go. I don't know if y'all can hear this brush hitting my kinks, but those roots are natural, sis, okay? So a hard bristle brush, y'all. This is really what's gonna smooth out our hair for our ponytail. Oh, so second thing we need to mention is that Lori Harvey usually rocks her pony like mid. I would say it's not a low pony, it's not a high pony, it's like a mid pony. So we gotta get our hair to mid pony. I never put my hair in a mid pony, so this is gonna be interesting. Rough draft pony, this is what we're looking like. I think the height is good, but everything else is not, okay? Two things I need to do is actually slick my hair back with product, some real life product that's going to get the girls together, and take out our edges. Lori Harvey's edges, she does have a good amount of baby hairs that she always either takes out or she just got a lot of baby hairs, but either way we need to have some. I'm going to start with my Thank Me Later Edge Gel. I'm taking that much gel. I'm just gonna smooth it all on the top of my head. Okay, so we've applied our product and now let's smooth it back. Look how smooth that is to my head, y'all. So the first one was just a rough draft. Now this, hopefully, will be the final product. How we looking? Now we need to work on these baby hairs, which is like the most important part. And I actually got this video idea from seeing people talk about her baby hairs on Twitter. Y'all were low-key being haters. They look really, really good, so I don't see the issue. So here's what I'm gonna do for the edges. I'm gonna first go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster.
It was at this very moment that I messed up big time.
Gonna go in with this for a rough draft, and then when we've gotten them where we actually want them, I'm gonna go in with my Thank You Later Edge Gel to seal it all in place, okay? I'm just gonna start like flickering these. So I'm trying to take some away and get only the shortest hairs. So yeah, here's my dilemma. LORI Harvey's hair, it feels like it just lays there. Like, that's probably what she looked like when she wake up in the morning and just take her scarf off, but that's not true for me. So I'm wondering what the heck I should do right now, because my edges, like my literal hairline, because we know these are not baby hairs, they're too long to lay how hers lays. So maybe I should cut my edges. Don't thumbs down this video, but I might go get some scissors. Forget it. Okay, we being reckless. We are being reckless.
At this point, I was desperate to lay my hair, y'all. I tried mousse, I tried gel, I tried everything, and it did not work. So I ended up taking everything off. That's what you see me doing here, and just starting over and starting from scratch. So I ended up literally brushing all my hair back. I grabbed the rat tail comb and I only took out what I thought I needed. I wasn't trying to overdo it anymore, y'all. This took so long, y'all, but I ended up just taking out some edges, getting Eco Styler and a softer toothbrush to actually style my edges, and it worked out. So that's what you see me doing, and I'm refining with the rat tail comb. Okay.
After years of turmoil, this is what I finally came up with for my LORI Harvey baby hairs, y'all. So the point was for them to be super wispy, almost like frontal baby hairs when you do them with mousse, but not too long and not too like done. Basically, they're supposed to look like you have a head full of baby hair and they're so super natural and they're so super soft, and that's almost impossible when your natural hairline is not like that. But this is what I came up with, y'all. I did go ahead and got to be glued my edges so that they will stay in place, because I did way too much work for them not to stay in place. And the last thing we need to do is kind of figure out what we're going to do with the ponytail. So are we giving LORI Harvey vibes or not?
The original plan was to attach some weave to my ponytail, but I got tired, y'all, so I was just like, let me braid this up and call it a day. I have been working on my hair for a literal hour and a half, so this is the final look, okay?
And I am going to secure that with a rubber band.
My outro got deleted, so this is it, y'all. Here's a recap of the entire video. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell button so you can be notified anytime I post a video. I will make sure I leave all of my socials in the description box below so you can keep up with me. Comment down below and let me know how you think this came out, because I really don't know, girl. I don't know. But hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.